Good morning, class. It's Tuesday, April 28th. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is math. So in math, I created a pear deck. So this is going to be a little different today. You're going to go and complete the pear deck. I'm able to see whether or not you've completed it because there are responses that you have to provide. It's also a lesson. So the reason why I created a pear deck was because I'm trying to teach you a lesson about cube sequence and patterns because we need to turn it into an equation that we can use to find any total number of cubes for any arrangement. So please make sure that you go through it carefully, and then at the end you can let me know if you have any questions. So complete that. That is the math assignment today. Tomorrow's math assignment will be based on the lesson from the pear deck. For writing, we are going to now take all those Bud Not Betty articles that we wrote, and we are going to create, we're not going to create a newspaper, we're going to create a Google site. So Ms. Sullivan has prepared a video that you need to watch in order to learn how to create a Google site and how to set it up. There are directions for it. And I believe she may have shown you an example. So please make sure that you watch that video. It's really important. Otherwise, you might not know how to make it or how to share it with me. Next, social studies. So today we're going to start the colony project. We just read chapter 7, and you did some research yesterday on colonial families by reading the section and learning about how life was during that time period, so you can use some of that information. So there's going to be 3 documents for you to look at. The first one is the colony sign up. So you have to pick a colony and you have to go to that document and put your name next to the colony that you would like to research. Now, if you would like to work with someone else, you have to reach out to them and figure out if you guys can work together, and you can work with one other person, 2 other people, maybe 3 other people. You can't go bigger than a group of 4. But so you have to put all of your names on the colony sign up sheet together, but you have to get it approved with one another. Then everybody, it doesn't matter if you're working together or not, you all have to fill out your own research document. So you can collaborate and try to help each other find facts, but you have to fill out your own document. You will get credit for your own document. Then when we create the Google sites, that's when you can, the Google slideshow, the slides, um, you can share it with one another and you can work on the document together. So it's not until that point where you'll actually be in full collaboration. So again, sign up, figure out who you're going to work with. You don't have to work with anybody, you can work by yourself. Do the research. You have to turn in your own document for the research. And then finally, next week, we will work on the Google slideshow, and that's where you can share the document and work with each other. My question for today is, what is your favorite place to eat? Um, right now, usually we would like to go to Jack's in San Bruno, but right now the only place that we've done takeout for is El Gran Amigo 2 in Lindemar. So we like taquerias. So that's my favorite place to eat right now. And then we have a Zoom tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So that Zoom, I noticed that there's the attendance to the Zooms are getting smaller. It's not mandatory, but it is a chance for you to ask questions. And tomorrow I plan to go over the social studies colony project directions in more depth, because usually I spend a lot of time going over that in the classroom. So please join us for that, as well as going over the newspaper project, going over the Google site um, project. So anyways, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.